than the A350 and the 787, they're aluminum. 787 and the A350 is plastic, called the plastic composite. So they can pressurize it much more than they can with aluminum. Because they can pressurize it more, you don't have jet lag afterwards. Boeing 787, also known as Dreamliner, which is the one we're flying. But that's Airbus A350. Look at the wingtips. See how it like curves up? That's an easy way to tell what the A350 is. Yeah, it's a little short, but bonnet. It has a swept up. It's a little one. I mean, I don't know if you can see it from here. Yeah, it's too dark. But you can see where those two people are standing? All the way in the building where it's at the thing.
No.
There's two people by the glass.
Okay.
Where you see the buses?
Yeah.
On top of it, there's two people. Right underneath those two people, there's a little mark on the building. Top of the little dot, you go up maybe like 10 feet. Like basically where the feet are of those people. There's a little scratch. Not a little scratch, there's a hole in it. I can see it. They, nowadays these guys are like holding it. They put the wing inside like
Have you seen like that in person?
in person? No. I came close to one. But we stopped one.